Alright, let's get started here. Reflexive pronoun. Attobachok sharbonam, right? Attobachok sharbonam. It's not attobachok, it's attobachok. Okay, so this is like those hybrid one of those hybrid letters here. And one word of caution here, this is an advanced lesson. This is not simple lesson. This is definitely not a beginner's lesson, beginner's pronoun lesson like that I've mentioned beforehand, that I've gone over, that I've covered before. No, this is definitely not simple. This is a little tricky here because in English you have myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and all those things, and different, right? But in Bengali, whenever you're mentioning that, whenever you're using this English myself in Bengali, yeah, it's nije nije. See, it's nije nije, or you can use nije, but I'm gonna stick with one phrase here, so I'm gonna use nije nije here. Okay, so myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself is all nije nije, because you're saying that, oh, I did it myself, I did the work myself, right? So I mean nije nije kasti shesh korechi, something like that. Oh, I put it up over here, so we're gonna go over that. But yeah, so that's like the variation. Well, I mean that's the version here from English to Bengali, right? Nije nije, and I've put that in here just to give you guys an idea. You can also use nije instead of nije nije, but I'm gonna stick with one phrase because I use this phrase quite often whenever I'm talking. I'm telling people like what I've done myself and stuff, right? So yeah, yourself nije nije, himself nije nije. So it's nije nije. It's pretty simple. It's not that difficult. But whenever you're applying it to a sentence and you're not a native speaker, yeah, that's when it gets tricky. Herself is nije nije, itself is nije nije, and I'm not gonna cover any sentence with itself because we don't use itself like that often, honestly, in Bengali. So that's out basically. And ourselves is nijerai, and also there's another variation here. I'm gonna go over that at the end. But and then there's themselves is nijerai as well. Okay, so anytime it's plural, it gets changed to nijerai. And anytime it's a singular, yourself, himself, herself, itself, it's nije nije, right? So let's get started on these sentences, right? So let's go over the first one here. I fixed the car myself, right? So what is it? আমি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ঠিক করেছি, right? So you fixed it yourself, so that's what you're gonna mention, tell other people like, you're proud of yourself. Like, oh, look at this. I fixed the car myself. আমি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ঠিক করেছি, right? আমি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ঠিক করেছি. Just like that. So myself is putting stress on I here, and then so same here. Nije nije is putting a stress on Ami. Oh, what the heck am I doing? Yeah, Ami, right? So yeah, I fixed the car myself. Ami গাড়িটি নিজে নিজে ঠিক করেছি. That's that. And sentence number 2. Go finish the job yourself. Okay? যাও কাজটি নিজে নিজেই শেষ করো. Okay? যাও কাজটি নিজে নিজেই শেষ করো. So yeah, finish the job yourself. So you're asking someone to finish the job himself or herself. So what are you gonna say? Go finish the job yourself. যাও কাজটি নিজে নিজে শেষ করো. Right? Hope it makes sense. And now we're gonna cover he or she. So say he washed the car himself. So he or she is same in Bengali, right? Remember? She, right? সে গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ধুয়েছে. Straight up. Or she washed the car himself. সে গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ধুয়েছে. If you wanna be formal, put that in here. তিনি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ধুয়েছেন. So there you go. সে changes to তিনি, and ধুয়েছে changes to ধুয়েছেন. That's it basically. Oh my goodness, excuse me. সে গাড়িটি নিজে নিজে ধুয়েছে, or তিনি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজে ধুয়েছেন. Right? Right. Okay. Go over that again. He washed the car himself. সে গাড়িটি নিজে নিজে ধুয়েছে. Or you can say she washed the car herself. Oh yeah, I missed this one. Okay, let's change this one. Herself. There you go. Better. Himself or herself. So it's exactly the same in Bengali basically. সে গাড়িটি নিজে 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 ধুয়েছে, or তিনি গাড়িটি নিজে নিজেই ধুয়েছেন. Done. All right. And here's the Bengali version here. We cooked the chicken curry ourselves. Okay, আমরা মুরগির তরকারিটি নিজেরাই রান্না করেছি. See? আমরা মুরগির তরকারিটি নিজেরাই রান্না করেছি. So chicken curry is মুরগির তরকারি. মুরগির তরকারি. And there's T here because of D here. See? I should have mentioned all this D and da stuff problem in Bengali, but we'll go over that in a later video. So here we are. We cooked the chicken curry ourselves. আমরা মুরগির তরকারিটি নিজেরাই রান্না করেছি. Yay! Oh man, I have to cook chicken curry today. Okay, there you go. আমরা মুরগির তরকারিটি নিজেরাই রান্না করেছি. Done? Like dinner. All right. Now we got they built the house themselves. So তারা নিজেরাই বাড়িটি বানিয়েছে. Right? তারা নিজেরাই বাড়িটি বানিয়েছে. Okay. Or you can say তারা বাড়িটি নিজেরাই বানিয়েছে. It's no problem. You know what? I think this is better. তারা বাড়িটি নিজেরাই বানিয়েছে. Okay, there you go. Yeah. No, this is definitely better in Bengali too. তারা বাড়িটি নিজেরাই বানিয়েছে. Yeah. Yeah, তারা বাড়িটি নিজেরাই বানিয়েছে. They built the house themselves. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now let's talk about some exceptional cases, right? Whenever you're talking about her doing something to yourself, or someone is talking about doing something to himself or herself, so that's when things get a little tricky. Well, it's just nije doesn't work anymore, so we used to use nije ke here. Say one example here. Don't hurt yourself, right? Nije ke baitha diyo na, right? Nije ke baitha diyo na. So that's you're saying, oh, don't. You're telling someone not to hurt himself or herself. So like, oh, nije ke baitha diyo na. Like, don't do this thing to yourself. So yeah, so that's one of those exceptional cases. Like anytime you're mentioning, or even I say I hurt myself, right? How do you translate that in Bengali? It's like, oh, I'm in day. So yeah, that's something to look out for. I'm pretty sure you're never gonna be using that because this is, like I said, this is not simple Bengali, right? I mean, this is a little uh, tricky one, but that's one of these cases here, right? So don't hurt yourself. Right, I got that written here. And then the other one is we don't want to create more problems for ourselves. This is like one of those exceptional cases I'm going over. So here, we don't want to create more problems for ourselves. আমরা নিজেদের জন্য আরো সমস্যা তৈরি করতে চাই না. Oh god, this is tricky. আমরা নিজেদের জন্য আরো সমস্যা তৈরি করতে চাই না. See, আমরা নিজেদের জন্য আরো সমস্যা তৈরি করতে চাই না. So here you see, go up here, ourselves is নিজেরাই, right? But anytime you're talking about doing something to yourself or yourselves, that's when you have to change this nijerai to nijader, right? And it's a multiple people, like it's a collective, like collective. I mean, so multiple people we're talking about. What am I saying? It is we as a group, right? It's not like one person, right? We don't want to create more problems for ourselves. আমরা নিজেদের জন্য আরো সমস্যা তৈরি করতে চাই না. But if you want to say I don't want to create more problems for myself, you can say আমি আমার জন্য আরো সমস্যা তৈরি করতে চাই না. So here things get very very tricky, but I'm sure you guys will never be saying that in Bengali because this is not easy, and that's why I'm saying this is an advanced lesson. But I hope this makes sense. And yeah, any question, comment, let me know. I'm pretty sure only one person will be asking questions, but let me know if there's more than one person. I'll be happy to answer anyone's question. And I hope this tutorial makes sense to you. So yeah, watch it many times, write things down, and ask me questions. You know, I'm here to answer questions for you. But yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. This is your boy Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Big Z out.